Hi guys, it's me Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So my setup is a little bit different. I had to move my beauty room into my bedroom. So I wanted to kind of just sit down and film kind of like a trial video and see kind of how I like it. Still trying to figure out lighting and everything like that. So you can hear everything outside. But let's just sit down and play with a little bit of makeup, test out the new digs that I got going on here, and just have some fun. I'm back, feeling good. We're going into summer, so I really want to try and get some videos up of some summer looks and things like that, just kind of have fun with filming again. So I really hope you guys stick around for that. But yeah, other than that, let's just jump right in and play with some makeup and have fun. Alright guys, and this is the final product, or the final look. I think it's very cute, very like late spring, early summer look. I really love how the eyes turned out. I normally don't do super bright lips like this, but I can get used to it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will also list the products down below so you can see what I used, if I didn't mention anything in the video itself. Also be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff as you know. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.